everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alex here. I'm super excited because I have my Alex Adores for the month of June. So if you are a new subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little teeny tiny bell right next to it so that you don't ever miss a video from me. If you are a long time subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning into today's video. So I'm going to keep my Alex Adores for the month of June super duper short because we are already in July and there are a ton of new stuff coming out. So I want to share with you guys what I was loving for the month of June. So this is going to be real quick. So I want to tell you guys about some brushes that I have been obsessed with for this month, and the first two that I want to talk about are these beautiful brushes right here from Moda Brushes. Now you guys know I love Moda Brushes. Their stuff is legit the bomb, and they also have a lot of their brushes in Walmart, so you literally can go into Walmart and stock some of their stuff. All right, now I love these two. These two give you those mermaid vibes, beautiful for the summer, great to put on display, and also workable and easy to use. I love them because they have that flatness to them. So they're basically face brushes and they do have that paddle design. So what I love about this one in particular is that it's great for really sweeping powder from underneath the eyes and also packing powder under the eyes. And if you want to get some blush or contour in there, this is great for that. And then this one, this is huge. If you wear powder foundation at all, or if you just want to really set real quick, real fast to get out the door and go, then this one is great for that. It's huge. Look at it. Like, it's humongous, but it really goes and gets the job done and gives you a flawless finish to the skin. As always, everything that I talk about I'm going to list and link in the description box, so go ahead and read that description box for your convenience. The next brush I have up for you guys is very unconventional. Like, when I first saw this brush, I got it in a BoxyCharm. I think it was from May or June's BoxyCharm. Anyway, if you're not signed up for BoxyCharm, don't know what you're waiting on. I have the link for that down in the description box as well. It is like the best subscription service ever. Anyway, not talking about BoxyCharm. This brush came on BoxyCharm and it is from LUXIE Beauty. This is their precision foundation brush, and y'all, I was so skeptical because of its shape, because how fluffy it is. I was like, this looks like a blush brush, this looks like a highlighter brush. You can definitely use it for those things, but I went ahead and used it as a foundation brush, and y'all, if you want a flawless finish to your foundation, this is the brush to get. It is super soft. It filters your face for you. I can't even describe it. Like, this brush, like, it looks like it's not gonna do it, but it's gonna definitely do it for you. Like, won't it do it? Yes. This brush is a boss. So if you need a new foundation brush, go ahead and try this one from LUXIE Beauty. Again, it is their precision foundation brush. You won't find anything better. Like, those kabuki, what? Get this brush. As for clothing items, I've only got one item this month, and it has to be this cardigan right here. I've been doing a lot of office stuff lately, so I was rocking this cardigan so much because it's really super cute. It definitely screams summer with this adorable little pineapple on it. The buttons are actually like little yellow buttons. It's really, really nice, you guys. And this is from Collectif Clothing London. It is a UK-based vintage, retro-inspired type of clothing brand. They have a ton of awesome stuff with there. A lot of work-appropriate, summer-appropriate, more so modest type of vintage stuff, but also a lot, some of them are really sexy, guys. I actually did a video with a couple of their pieces before, so you can basically check that out. I'll probably link it in the description for you. But yeah, I love this cardigan. Really good quality. I got this in a 2XL, so yeah, I think this was the largest size they had as well. So this is a really nice cardigan, you guys. If you want some really good quality cardigans that aren't like plain and have like a lot of fun stuff going on, do check out Collectif Clothing. Now I do have some skincare favorites for you guys. This one helped me through my flu. Like, I was feeling the worst for the past 2 weeks. Like my voice, you probably can hear it. It's definitely trying to come back. But this AVEENO Stress Relief Body Wash was super helpful in helping me feel relaxed and calm and able to breathe. There's lavender and chamomile in here, so you get super duper relaxed. It's not even like an in-shower experience. You know, some body washes, they just smell good while you're in the shower. When you come out, it's gone. Like, no, this one actually feels good on the skin. Once you're done with your shower, it actually, like, you can still feel it. So it calms and relaxes the skin. And inside the shower, once the shower like mist and stuff builds up with the super foaminess of this, like, it just lathers the skin. It just makes you feel really calm, really relaxed, and definitely ready for bed. So this is what I was using during my time when I was sick, and I can definitely go ahead and continue using this because it really calms you and relaxes you. Like I said, it really gets you ready for bed and really wind you down after a long day, and your skin stays super moisturized. So again, this is the AVEENO Active Naturals Stress Relief Body Wash. And the last thing for my skin, and actually the last of my Alex doors for this month, is the Drunk Elephant. It's a long word, so I'm gonna definitely have to read it to you. Protini Polypeptide Cream. So this cream right here, I've been using this day and night for a bit now, and it's definitely doing some things to my skin. I feel like from I've been using it, it really moisturizes my skin. So once I'm up in the morning, like I feel really plump and supple, like my skin doesn't look dry or flaky or anything. I used to have flaky patches on my face, and those are now gone. I don't have to worry about them anymore, but it does a really good job of hydrating and strengthening my skin. Let me read you a little bit about it. It says this protein moisturizer combines an array of concentrated peptides, growth factors, amino acids, things like that. So I also love the packaging of this. It's like those pumps, so you just literally press it down and the product comes up, and it's definitely enough for your face and neck. And what I like about that too is that it makes it more hygienic, if that makes sense. So I think if you have combination skin and maybe dry skin, this would be great for you, especially during these hot summer months. Like sometimes, even though it's hot, your skin can actually dry out. So do be mindful of that, especially if you have a lot of hot days in the sun. Alright you guys, so that is it for my Alex Adores for the month of June. I do hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. Don't forget that everything's going to be listed and linked down in the description box. And if you have tried anything that I have mentioned today, let me know in the comments. I want to know if you've tried any of these stuff, especially this AVEENO. Get this, get this now. Run out to Target or Walgreens or Walmart and grab you this one and try it out tonight. I guarantee you, you are going to feel the most relaxed you've felt in a long time. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching and subscribing if you have, and I will see you in my next video really soon. Bye, my loves.